The theme of our Golu this year is all about showing gratitude. We picked our Golu's theme keeping in mind the ongoing COVID pandemic and its aftermath in our lives. In a progressive society, we take many things in our lives for granted. Through the lens of our Golu, we take a pause and we thank a lot of people who play a key role in our lives.
As a part of our theme, we have 12 exhibits. People employed in various professions who contribute to building a community into what it is. 8 of our Golu exhibits are handmade. The other 4 exhibits are brought out with Golu dolls. In our Golu, we have expressed thanks to people in 12 professions only. However, our larger intent is to celebrate labor. We should respect and uphold the dignity of labor, treat each other with respect, and show gratitude to the people around us. Because a positive thought and a grateful heart can work miracles.
Most of our Golu diorama is primarily made with items that are compostable: cardboard, paper, egg cartons. Now let me quickly add that we have a few plastic plants that we reuse every year in our Golus. For this year, we purchased a small box of about a dozen paper mache pretend professional dolls, some color papers and construction papers, and a real lollipop.
In the year of COVID, our main exhibit is the model of El Camino Hospital in Mountain View, California. We'd like to thank the doctors and nurses all over the world who work tirelessly and selflessly. Please allow us to give you a tour of our hospital. We did our best to keep our hospital design to be compliant with California's road traffic rules.
Here is an aerial view of the hospital that we designed. Our hospital has 3 entrances. Let's start with the first. You enter through this lane, a speed breaker, a slow down speed limit sign. There's the patient drop off area, and here is the entrance to the main hospital. I'm not sure if it's very visible, but the ground level of the hospital actually has 2 floors. If you notice, there's a man waiting to board the elevator and the buttons are in the center. There's a lady walking on the upper level. I made this hospital using the lids of cake box and popsicle sticks. The upper floors have a few people sitting or walking, and this is our main hospital together with the directory sign and the layout. Thank you, doctors and nurses. Some landscaping and some patient waiting area. As you drive along, there's a stop sign in case somebody is walking. You continue to drive, and over here we have the women's hospital that also houses the labor and delivery wing. And we have an OBGYN here. Now, this is also to thank the doctors and nurses. What you see here is a plant that has been cut in the shape of a giraffe. To give some positive vibes to the women who are entering the hospital, we made this structure. Such structures are very common, especially in children's hospitals. There's also a fountain that has been made with a feeding bottle. So you drive this parking lot here for the women's hospital, and then you continue to drive. Take one of the two lanes to exit out of the hospital. One other thing is, if you don't want to go to the women's hospital but just the main hospital, you have the option to go around and join directly the exit lane surrounding the giraffe. Which now brings us to our second entrance. This is our main entrance with signs pointing to both the emergency and the main entry. So you enter using one of the two lanes. This one takes you to the parking lot, the slow down speed sign. You stop, you merge, and you can go directly to the main hospital, or you can park and you can use the pedestrian walkway to enter the main hospital. If you were to enter via this lane, it takes you to the emergency building. You take a U-turn and you park in the parking lot that reads "Parking is meant for emergency only." These are the speed breakers and the stop sign if you were to get out to exit. Now the third entrance to our hospital is an ambulance only entrance by the side of the emergency building. So this is clearly marked ambulance only, and you see an ambulance parked in front. We have dedicated ambulance parking, and you can also exit out of the building. One other thing that we added, this emergency sign in fluorescent green is meant to help the people driving on the road realize that there is the emergency building located here. So this has been added to the side of the building. The landscaping was done by my children. So that is the model of our El Camino hospital.
I gave this fire truck to Amma. It has a big ladder that I go to show you. This is how my ladder works. Onto the jump.
Transparent walls made out of restaurant to-go boxes. Food made out of Play-Doh. Cakes, fruit, pancakes, pizzas, croissants, burgers, cookies, cake slices. Sink made out of Play-Doh and old toy. Tables and chairs made out of corks and milk can caps. Fuel dispensers are broken drip irrigation pipes. This truck driver drives the fuel truck.
Why Google? We use Google's search almost every single day. Their Android operating system continues to power many low-cost phones that are more affordable to the masses. Our fundraiser Golu itself has been made possible thanks to some of the products that Google has made. You see the green mascot in the center and on the left. As our small tribute to Google, we have a few displays that are meant to resemble the Android lawn statues displayed at Googleplex. We have a cupcake, a marshmallow, and a real lollipop next to the Android mascot. These desserts are in fact the names of the official releases of the Android operating system. About 18 such statues comprise the entire collection at Googleplex. We have kept 3 of those as a tribute. Thank you, Google, and thank you, tech industry in general, for all the benefits that you have given us.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishi and I live with my family in Sunnyvale, California. This is what Amma made. Thank you to people, thank you farmers and for giving us coconut trees and banana trees. I eat banana with my cereal and that is. Thank you grocery store for giving us lollipop. Thank you, school teachers. Thank you, post office. Thank you, school teachers. Oh, I said school teachers.
This is the furniture store that I worked on over the summer. Everything is made out of popsicle sticks. There are some lounge chairs, picnic tables, a park set, with a bench, monkey bars, swing sets, seesaw, and a slide. There is also a mom and a son looking and deciding what to buy. We have a bedroom set with a bookshelf, a crib, beds, a study table, and a dresser. Living room set, there's a coffee table, armchair, couch, and 2 stools. We also have some bunk beds and a normal bed. There's a dining table set, a table, and chairs. This is the household utility furniture set. There is a shelf, a closet organizer, an ironing board, a study desk, a shoe rack, a chair, and a ladder. There is also a couple who is deciding on what to buy.